My name is Dagadu Kwame Godwin. My index number is ENG25B slash 00023Y. I am a student of AIT and I study Bachelor of Engineering in Electrical and Electronics Engineering. During my internship, I experienced and I acquired a lot of experience, and I work with the PNC section that is specifically the underground cable test van. And during my internship, I was able to learn how to detect underground cable fault or locate underground cable fault and how the cable fault is being mended and how VLF test is also performed on underground cable. And I also learn how to test metering chemicals. And during my internship also I'm able to learn how to troubleshoot underground cable fault as well, and overhead too as well, and the causes of outages in the system due to faults. During the period of my internship, I was introduced to a lot of different things, how to apply the academics works to the industry or to the work sector. And during my internship, I was able to learn how to. During my internship, I was able to work on underground cables and how to locate and then join the faulty or make joints on underground cables. And I was also able to test and do pressure test on a new lay cable to see whether the cable is healthy so that it can be connected into the grid. And I was also introduced to or acquire skills in how to also measure new here are some demonstrations of how the underground cable fault is being handled in terms of mending joints and other, making the cable to be reliable to be connected back into the grid. I also was exposed to how to measure metering chemicals, that is using measuring the CTs and the VTs for metering purposes. And with that, I was also part of the team that experienced that at two different locations that I acquire and learn more knowledge about it, that using the test van to locate or to test the cities by the use of DC to know whether the insulation properties or the insulations within the VTs and the CTs qualify or are okay for the unit to be installed at the premises of the customers and for the metering purposes. And I I am grateful for this opportunity being given to me by Electricity Company of Ghana and AIT2 as well to perform this or to acquire more knowledge through this internship. And based on this internship, I know that I have acquired more skill and I know more about how electricity is being distributed or transmitted within our localities, and how faults are also being made on it. How the first point at which you reach ECG based on any fault that we have and they have, or any outage in the system, how it is being handled, and the first point of call, that being the district office, attend to the place and seeing whether it's an LV or AT fault, and now they refer to the AT. If it's an AT4, they refer to the AT team so that they handle and then know that, oh, okay, if they also check whether it's an overhead or underground. If it's for an underground, how is being troubleshooted to know the points or the stations that are being affected by the fault, and know the exact cable within the station that is have the that is suspected to be faulty before referring it to the test van to also locate. Then how joints are also being made. I learned that how the types of cables and then how they mend joints on them too as well. And I thank AIT and ECG for giving me this opportunity, for building my career and building upon myself to become a good engineer in the coming future. Thank you, and God bless Ghana, God bless ECG, and God bless AIT too as well. Thank you for this opportunity given. God bless us all.